Welcome to our journey through Karimnagar, a city in the southern part of India located in the state of Telangana. Known for its rich history, cultural significance, and natural beauty, Karimnagar offers a unique blend of tradition and nature. Join us as we venture into the heart of Karimnagar to uncover its secrets and marvel at its wonders. Karimnagar is situated about 165 kilometers northeast of Hyderabad, the vibrant capital of Telangana. The city of Karimnagar sits gracefully upon the Deccan Plateau, a region characterized by a captivating blend of plains, hills, and meandering rivers. This unique topography lays the foundation for Karimnagar's diverse ecosystems and breathtaking landscapes. The region experiences a tropical climate, with the year neatly divided into distinct seasons. Summers here are characteristically hot, with temperatures soaring to 40 degrees Celsius or higher. As the summer heat wanes, the monsoon season arrives, bringing life-giving rains that replenish the land. Rivers swell, lakes overflow, and the landscape transforms into a vibrant tapestry of green. Winter in Karimnagar offers a welcome respite from the heat, with temperatures dropping to a pleasant 15 degrees Celsius. The interplay of these distinct seasons, coupled with the region's varied topography, has shaped Karimnagar's landscape and cultural identity. The people of Karimnagar have learned to live in harmony with the rhythms of nature, adapting their lives to the ebb and flow of the seasons. No exploration of Karimnagar would be complete without paying homage to its lifeblood, the Maner River. This majestic river, a tributary of the mighty Godavari, snakes its way through the heart of the region, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape and the lives of its people. The Maner River is more than just a geographical feature. It is the lifeblood of Karimnagar, sustaining its people, its agriculture, and its very essence. Since time immemorial, the people of Karimnagar have relied on the Maner River for their sustenance. The river's significance is deeply intertwined with the region's agricultural heritage. The fertile lands surrounding the Maner River have been cultivated for centuries, with farmers relying on its waters to irrigate their crops. The river's annual floods, once a source of anxiety, are now managed with a system of dams and canals, ensuring a consistent water supply for agriculture throughout the year. This intricate network of water management has transformed Karimnagar into a breadbasket of Telangana. The region is a major producer of crops such as rice, cotton, maize, and pulses, all thanks to the life-giving waters of the Maner River. The Lower Maner Dam stands as a symbol of this harmonious coexistence between man and nature. Karimnagar, much like the rest of Telangana, is a region where nature unfolds in all its glory. Venture beyond the city limits and you'll find yourself amidst swathes of dry, deciduous forests, their canopies teeming with life. These forests are home to a fascinating array of tree species, each adapted to the region's unique climate and soil conditions. Towering acacia trees stand sentinel over the landscape, their branches providing shade to a myriad of creatures. The air is thick with the scent of neem trees, their leaves prized for their medicinal properties for centuries. Bamboo groves sway gently in the breeze, their hollow stems providing shelter to a variety of insects and reptiles. The mighty teak, with its durable wood, stands as a symbol of strength and resilience. These forests are bustling ecosystems, teeming with life in its myriad forms. The undergrowth rustles with the movement of small mammals, while the air is filled with the cacophony of bird calls. Karimnagar's forests are a reminder that we share this planet with a multitude of other creatures, each playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Karimnagar is a land where the past whispers through the ages, its stories etched into the very fabric of its existence. Throughout the region, ancient temples and historical landmarks stand as proud sentinels, bearing witness to the ebb and flow of civilizations that have graced this land. One such architectural marvel is the El Gandal Fort, perched majestically atop a hill overlooking the surrounding plains. The fort's weathered ramparts and crumbling walls speak volumes of a bygone era of battles fought and won, of kings and queens who once walked its corridors. Today, the El Gandal Fort stands as a poignant reminder of Karimnagar's rich history, offering panoramic views of the city below and the verdant countryside that stretches out beyond. The Kaleshwaram Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, stands as a beacon of devotion, drawing pilgrims from all corners of India. Located on the banks of the sacred Godavari River, the Kaleshwaram Temple is not just a place of worship. It is a harmonious blend of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. The temple's intricate carvings, towering gopurams and serene atmosphere create an ambience that transcends the mundane, transporting visitors to a realm of peace and tranquility. Karimnagar's historical and cultural sites are living testaments to the enduring spirit of its people, a testament to their faith, their resilience, and their deep connection to the land they call home. And the heart of Karimnagar beats to the rhythm of the seasons, its pulse inextricably linked to the land that sustains it. Agriculture is not merely an occupation here, it is a way of life, a deep-rooted tradition passed down from generation to generation. The fertile soil of Karimnagar, enriched by the annual floods of the Maner River, has been a source of sustenance for centuries. The region's farmers, custodians of this ancient knowledge, have honed their skills over generations, learning to coax life from the land with a deep understanding of nature's rhythms. Cotton, pulses, maize and groundnut thrive in the warm, humid climate, promising a bountiful harvest. The sight of emerald green paddy fields stretching as far as the eye can see is a testament to the hard work and dedication of Karimnagar's farmers. These fields, carefully irrigated with water from the Maner River and its tributaries, are a symphony of life, teeming with insects, amphibians and birds. Karimnagar's agricultural landscape is a tapestry woven together by the threads of tradition, culture and community. Karimnagar's allure extends far beyond its natural beauty and historical significance. The region is home to a number of tourist attractions, each offering a unique glimpse into the heart and soul of this captivating destination. The Kaleshwaram temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is a must-visit for those seeking spiritual solace. Just a stone's throw from the city lies the Sri Rajarajeshwara Swami temple, another architectural marvel that draws visitors from far and wide. This ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is renowned for its intricate carvings and stunning sculptures, each telling a story from Hindu mythology. For those who prefer to immerse themselves in the embrace of nature, the Lower Maner Dam beckons with its breathtaking views and tranquil surroundings. The dam's vast expanse of water, surrounded by rolling hills and verdant forests, offers a picturesque setting for a day out in the lap of nature. Whether you seek spiritual enlightenment, architectural marvels, or simply a day out in the beauty of nature, Karimnagar has something to offer every traveler. In a world grappling with the consequences of environmental degradation, Karimnagar stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of collective action in preserving our planet's precious resources. The people of Karimnagar, acutely aware of their dependence on the natural world, have embraced the principles of sustainable living, ensuring that future generations inherit a healthy and vibrant environment. The government, in collaboration with local communities, has implemented a number of initiatives aimed at protecting Karimnagar's natural heritage. Forests are being carefully managed to prevent deforestation and promote sustainable logging practices. Efforts are underway to reduce pollution and maintain the ecological integrity of the Maner River. Sustainable agricultural practices are being promoted to minimize the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. The concept of Van Mahotsav, the annual tree planting festival, is deeply rooted in the region's culture, with people from all walks of life coming together to plant saplings and nurture them into mature trees. Karimnagar's story is a powerful reminder that we are not merely inhabitants of this planet. We are its custodians, entrusted with the responsibility of preserving it for future generations. In Karimnagar, the line between culture and nature blurs, each enriching and informing the other in a harmonious dance that has been passed down through generations. The region's festivals, vibrant expressions of its cultural identity, are deeply intertwined with the rhythms of nature, celebrating the bounty of the land and the cyclical flow of life. Bathukama, a floral festival celebrated with great fervor by the women of Telangana, is a testament to this deep connection with nature. During this festival, women gather flowers of various hues and shapes, arranging them meticulously in concentric circles to create stunning floral mounds known as Bathukamas. These floral creations, representing the goddess Parvati, are then worshipped and immersed in water bodies, symbolizing the cyclical nature of life, death, and regeneration. Bonalu, another important festival celebrated in Karimnagar, is dedicated to the goddess Mahakali. The festival, celebrated during the monsoon season, is a time to appease the goddess and seek her blessings for a bountiful harvest. These festivals, deeply rooted in the region's agricultural heritage, are a testament to the people's profound respect for nature. In summary, Karimnagar is a blend of cultural richness, historical landmarks, and natural beauty. The city's heart beats in unison with the rhythm of the Maner River, its existence intertwined with the land's generosity. From ancient temples whispering tales of bygone eras to the vibrant tapestry of its flora and fauna, Karimnagar offers a sensory journey like no other. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Karimnagar. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more explorations of beautiful destinations.